everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're discussing mutual funds, how they work and why they're becoming increasingly popular. First up, what exactly are mutual funds? In simple terms, a mutual fund is a pool of money collected from many investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds or other securities. Now let's talk about how mutual funds work. It will be a trust that raises money from a group of investors who have common investment goals. They will invest this money in equities, bonds, money market instruments, or other securities. This fund will be managed by a professional fund manager. Each investor will be given a unit. Units are part of the fund's holdings. The income or profit earned from this collective investment will be distributed proportionately to the investors after deducting the fixed expenses by calculating the net asset value, also known as NAV, of the scheme. So, why are mutual funds growing in importance? Let's explore some key reasons. Mutual funds are accessible to both small and large investors. You don't need a huge amount of money to start investing, making them a great option for beginners. By investing in a mutual fund, you gain exposure to a wide range of assets. This diversification helps reduce the risk compared to investing in individual securities. Not everyone has the time or expertise to manage their investments. Mutual funds offer professional management, which can lead to better investment decisions and potentially higher returns. Mutual funds provide liquidity, meaning you can easily buy or sell shares. This flexibility allows you to access your money relatively quickly compared to some other investment options. There are mutual funds for almost every type of investor. Whether you're looking for growth, income, or a mix of both, you can find a mutual fund that fits your investment goals and risk tolerance. With mutual funds, you get professional management and diversification at a relatively low cost. Many funds have lower fees compared to hiring a private financial advisor. So, in summary, mutual funds offer a convenient and efficient way to invest by pooling resources, diversifying investments, and providing professional management. Their growing popularity is a testament to their accessibility, flexibility, and cost effectiveness. So if you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that button and subscribe for more insights. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day ahead.